So you can hear this sound if I play, because Apple TV doesn't allow us to record, but I just want you guys to hear this issue I've been facing, this sound. So I actually found a solution for this. So that is, go to the audio MIDI setup. So you go to your launch pad, so and find your audio MIDI setup somewhere here. I think it's around here. No, well, I couldn't find it. So I just type audio MIDI setup. So you can see right now currently it's format 44,000. So you can change it to 48 hertz, and then that's it. Voila, the problem disappears. So now you won't hear the static sound anymore, which is great.
Twice
So
in a single generation.
thank you. So actually I found a solution from here, from highlight to Mr. Divine UK, who gave me this solution. So I thought I'd share it on YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye.